Hello my dear brothers and sisters. Let's learn 25 amazing facts about brain which will blow your mind. Number 1. It can store an estimated 2,500,000 gigabytes. According to Paul Reber, professor of psychology at Northwestern University, the human brain can store an estimated 2,500,000 gigabytes. That's equivalent to 300 years worth of TV shows. Number 2. The human attention span is shorter than a goldfish. Research shows that the average attention span has decreased by an average 12 minutes over the last 10 years. Number 3. The average weight of the adult human brain is 3 pounds. Number 4. Memories are stored for both short-term and long-term use at the same time. Neuroscientists have known for a long time that the hippocampus stores short-term memories. However, a recent study revealed that while short-term memories are formed in the hippocampus, they are simultaneously stored in another part of the brain for long-term memories. Number 5. Vitamin B1 can help improve short and long-term memory. Vitamin B1 is essential to producing the brain chemical acetylcholine, which is needed for concentrating and storing memories. An Australian study revealed that those who consumed B1 supplements and folic acid for 2 years improved long and short-term memory. Number 6. Easy access to information can make it harder to remember. Being able to quickly access information, that is via our borderline invincible internet, actually makes it harder to remember. The harder we work to access data, the more likely we are to remember. Number 7. Memories start forming in the womb. Memories start forming in the womb, as this is a critical time for brain development. Memory recall can occur as early as 4 months into pregnancy. Number 8. It uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy. The brain uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy, which travels to the brain through blood vessels. Nerve cells in the brain need a lot of energy. Without adequate oxygen and energy to the central nervous system tissue, one can suffer impaired brain functions and neurological disorders. Number 9. It's composed of 73% water. The brain is 73% water. It only takes 2% dehydration to affect your attention and memory. Number 10. Sweating can temporarily shrink the brain. An hour and a half of sweating can temporarily shrink brain size as much as 1 year of aging does. Number 11. 5 minutes without oxygen can cause brain damage. Number 12. It generates 12 to 15 watts of electricity. The brain generates between 12 and 25 watts of electricity. That's enough to power a low wattage light bulb. Number 13. Neurons travel 150 miles per hour in the brain. Different types of neurons move at different speeds. For example, pain signals move much slower than other ones. Number 14. Those who take a quiz after its revision are 65% more likely to remember the facts. Number 15. When we learn something new, our brain forms new connections between neurons. This then increases visible gray matter in the brain. Number 16. Memory is prioritized by emotion. But this also means that a lot of our memories are unintended flawed fiction. Number 17. Emotions can alter our brain chemistry. Similarly to the above fact, emotions drastically alter our brains. The chemical reactions stirred by feelings can be physically seen in brain scans and studies of gray matter. Number 18. It has an average of 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. The average brain has between 50,000 and 70,000 thoughts a day. Upsettingly, the majority of which, approximately 60 to 70 of the thoughts, are negative. Number 19. More than 100,000 chemical reactions take place in the brain every second. Number 20. When intoxicated, it can't form memories. When intoxicated, the brain is incapable of forming memories. So no, you didn't forget what happened last night. The memory simply was never formed. Number 21. Practicing recollection can help PTSD. Practicing recollection can help aid PTSD. There are a variety of psychological treatment methods that mental health care providers use to help those suffering from PTSD safely confront and cope with traumatic experiences. 22. Its texture and consistency is comparable to tofu. The texture and consistency of the human brain is comparable to tofu. This isn't too surprising, given that it's made up primarily of gray and white matter, as well as water. Number 23. Research shows that the cognitive speed of your brain starts slowing down when you're around 24 years old. Number 24. 95% of all decisions take place in the subconscious mind. This means that the vast majority of our actions and behaviors occur due to brain activity that lies beyond our conscious awareness. Number 25. The brain itself cannot feel pain. Although pain is processed in the brain, the organ itself cannot feel pain. This is why brain surgeries can occur while a patient is awake, without discomfort. This is the end of the video. Now I want to suggest you a very useful product. Echo Dot. Next generation smart speaker with powerful bass, LED display, and Alexa to voice control your home and smart electronic devices. Make your home smart with the features provided by Echo Dot. You can buy it from Amazon. Link is in the description as well as in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.